everyone, and welcome back to FeetFinder. I hope you subscribe to this channel before we get to the most exciting part. In our previous video, we showed you how legit FeetFinder is and how you can earn real money from it. If you haven't seen that video yet, please watch some of the videos on this channel to get some inspiration for posting feet pics on FeetFinder.com. I'll post the link in the description below. And by the way, this video is sponsored by FeetFinder.com, with over 1 million verified members uploading and buying content daily. It's the safest, easiest, and most secure website to buy and sell feet content. So here we go! Now, as promised, I will give you guys a run through on how I made it on FeetFinder.com. It is very quick and easy, no fuss. As long as you are verified, then it's easy peasy lemon squeezy. First, I uploaded a quality profile picture, something that I thought would grab the viewer's attention. Once that was done, I completed the rest of my gallery photos. It's important to provide quality albums, up to 15 pictures or videos for purchase. The more options, the better your chances of capturing your audience. I made sure to choose the right subscription for me as a seller, the premium plan to help my placement and recommendations. I can't express how important it was that I checked back each day so I never missed a message. Be sure to turn on notifications and get alerted when buyers reach out to you. Make your profile worth viewing. Don't be boring. Show a new side of yourself. And let your viewers know who you are before they even send their first message. And a hot tip for anyone is to be realistic and reasonable with your pricing. Know how to gauge your content and understand that not every set is going to be a high-ticket item. Since you are still new to feet pic buying, I highly suggest navigating the website to get the best tips and tricks on how to sell your feet pics. The better angle you have, the better chance to gain fans. And if you haven't heard or seen enough on how to sell and buy feet content online, please watch the expert guide by clicking the link below. It should be a very quick and easy guide for everyone. I will be making more content and sharing my process along the way. Please click subscribe, that way you receive a notification once new content is up. In the next video, I'll be sharing some quick tips and tricks on how to set up an account and a guided walkthrough for beginners. Again, this is Marie, wishing you a happy and healthy exploration into whatever turns you on. Bye!